A chemical management system, CMS, is a structured, often software-based, framework used by organizations to track, control, and safely handle chemicals throughout their entire life cycle, from procurement and storage to usage and disposal. It ensures regulatory compliance, enhances workplace safety, and minimizes environmental impact. Key features include inventory tracking, SDS management, and automated reporting. Chemical safety management refers to the systematic process of identifying, assessing, and controlling risks associated with the use, storage, transportation, and disposal of chemicals in an industrial setting. Prevent accidents such as fires, explosions, and toxic releases. Protect worker health and safety. Ensure environment protection and legal compliance. Promote efficient and sustainable chemical use. A. Chemical inventory and classification. Maintain an updated list of all chemicals used or stored. Classify chemicals based on hazard types, flammable, toxic, corrosive, reactive, etc., using GHS globally harmonized system standards. Label all containers with correct hazard symbols and safety data. Identify hazards physical, chemical, biological, ergonomic. Evaluate exposure levels, inhalation, ingestion, dermal. Implement control measures based on hierarchy of controls, elimination, substitution, engineering controls, administrative controls, PPE. Ensure availability of SDS for every chemical. Train workers on how to interpret SDS sections, e.g. handling, first aid, spill response. Segregate incompatible chemicals, e.g. acids and bases, oxidizers and flammables. Maintain appropriate ventilation and temperature control. Use proper containment systems to prevent leaks or spills. Provide PPE such as gloves, goggles, respirators, aprons. Ensure PPE is compatible with the chemical hazards involved. Train workers on correct PPE use and maintenance. Develop emergency response plans for spills, leaks, fires, and exposures. Conduct regular drills. Install safety showers, eye wash stations, and fire extinguishers. Coordinate with local emergency services. Segregate hazardous and non-hazardous waste. Follow legal requirements for storage, transportation, and disposal. Encourage recycling and reuse where safe. Conduct induction and periodic refresher training. Communicate hazards through signage and labeling. Promote a culture of safety and responsibility. Comply with local and international standards such as OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, REACH, registration, evaluation, authorizations, and restriction of chemicals, RSL and MRSL ISO 45001, Occupational Health and Safety, ISO 14001, Environmental Management. Elimination, remove the hazardous chemical entirely. Substitution, replace with a less hazardous material. Engineering controls, fume hoods, ventilation systems. Administrative controls, procedures, scheduling, training. Personal protective equipment. Last line of defense. Reduce workplace injuries and illnesses. Improved operational efficiency and reliability. Lower insurance and regulatory costs. Enhance corporate reputation and sustainability. Hazardous Materials Management Systems, HMMS. Chemical Inventory Software. Incident Reporting Systems, Process Safety Management, PSM, programs.